My name is Martin Pinto.
Hmm. So we have done your recording before about your problems.
Yes.
So in short, you can tell that also and how you are feeling after our treatment.
I had a severe problem, especially while sitting. I could barely sit for more than 2 or 3 minutes. And in addition to that, I had several other problems, things like my soles of the feet used to burn. I had a pain in the thigh and pain in the shoulder area as well.
Also difficult in standing also.
Yeah, so if I stood for a long time, then I would get pain in the front of the thigh.
Okay. So after our treatment, how you felt and when it started improvement?
I have now finished 4 courses of treatment. And I began feeling improvement right away, probably from the 3rd or 4th day. And the progress has been continuous. Even on the days when I was not taking treatment, during the gap in the treatment, I still used to feel that things are improving. And right from day 1, it has kept on improving until today.
You have done a lot of special research treatments for you. So what were the results of that?
I think the results have been more than what I had expected, especially after undergoing so much of pain and so much of difficulty in my life, that I really felt that this would never be able to be cured.
Because your routine life was very difficult.
That's right.
You can explain about that?
Yeah, I could barely sit, and sitting was the major problem. So because of this, I had problems at work. I could not do my best. I could not perform to my own satisfaction. I had to avoid going for social meetings. Even in my personal life, I found a lot of difficulty because I used to avoid going anywhere other than work because of the sitting problem.
And this 4 months, it was too much terrible.
Yeah, in the last 4 months, it has been really become worse.
Now you are sitting and everything is perfectly normal.
Now I can sit, and even the pain is not there. And the pain in the leg and the soles also has kept on reducing. So far overall, I think the benefit would be more than 90-95%.
Today we have done one more last, because tomorrow you are leaving.
That's right.
To abroad. So we have done tomorrow one last treatment, that is one more with the moxibustion, ginger moxibustion. This will give you more result, internal cure. Okay, so what you want to say about our center or about overall how we work on that? Can you?
Yeah, I think I'd like to say 2 things. Number 1 is that acupuncture is very effective in areas which have proven to be chronic and where other medical sciences say it is incurable. And the second thing, which I believe is more important, is the relationship between the doctor and the patient. And I felt that that was something which was special about this center, is where the patient is really made to feel that he is valued and whatever he says is taken into account, and based upon that the appropriate treatment is given. So this not only gives the patient a feeling of confidence that yes, I will get okay, but it also helps the doctor in deciding the right treatment to be given. So I would recommend that any patient who comes here be free with the doctor, say what he wants to say, how he is feeling, what pain he is undergoing, and then leave the rest for the doctor's decision on what kind of treatment should be done.
In the starting, you were not feeling that you will get cured about this. In the start, when you came, you were not feeling that I will get cured or something like that.
That's right.
But now you say that you won the war about this after this treatment, and you got relief from all these problems.
Correct.
So you are happy now with this?
Yes, I am very happy.
Okay.